Okay, so welcome back. This is part two where we're going to look at the week ahead. Okay, so, you know, obviously we're expecting Biden signing the debt agreement, so that should be the end of that, just in time to prevent, obviously, a US debt default. Now, I'm expecting that the Treasury is going to rush in to issue absolute tens, if not hundreds of billions of dollars of short-dated bills because they need to get this cash in really quickly. And then maybe also because we've got summer coming up, so that's when liquidity drops. So, that's going to be something. But also keep an eye on the banks if they do, because that could really strain their cash reserves. And obviously there's a special set of limits for the minimums that they're allowed to drop to hold as cash. So we heard from lots of Fed speakers last week, and they was pretty mixed with their views. Now, don't expect anything else from them. They go silent until after the next FOMC meeting now. Now, data-wise in the US, we've got ISM. There's some inventory data out, consumer credit, PMI, and of course jobless claims. I'm surprised jobless claims haven't sort of increased more yet, but I guess all these rate increases are still feeding in. Okay, in the UK we've got PMI and housing data. In the EU, PMI, housing data, employment data, and GDP. At Germany, we've got PMI, industrial output. Now, Germany's industrial output, the fact that they're now just in a technical recession, it's worth keeping an eye on these types of things. Is it going to continue to drop? Is this just going to be a technical recession, or is it going to turn into a full-blown recession? And are they just the first of many? Canada got a rate decision coming out of them. It's probably going to be unchanged, but it may just be a bit hawkish after they've had stronger GDP, CPI, and also they've got a strong labour market. So, if they don't do anything this time, then July's one could be very interesting. In Japan, we have PMI and GDP. China, PMI, and then we've got inflation data, CPI and PPI. In India, we've got PMI as well. Australia, another rate decision we're going to see there. And inflation has turned higher again there. So, will we see a hike? And also their GDP is coming out. Now, something else out this week to keep an eye on will be the OECD report, which provides that sort of very comprehensive outlook for the world economy. So it's definitely worth looking at that. Okay, if you watch all of these, I'm sure you're bored with this by now, but just in case it's fresh for you and you didn't watch part one, so here just a little bit of a reminder of what we do. So we offer a daily newsletter which includes news headlines, my views, global news, and then there's another service we offer: fresh daily chart levels and pivot points. We also offer one-day workshops where you get to discover if trading will be your next career, or maybe just as a second income. And if you're already trading, then we can help you to fill in any gaps that's going to accelerate your trading journey. If you are new to trading and you want to sort of get a real kickstart, then our 1 week intensive course is great. By the end of it, you'll feel competent, confident. Is it going to make you a trader? No, but it's certainly going to set the foundations on which you can build your trading career. And if you have that inner trader in a week, I can find it. Now, there's an alternative to that 1 week course, which also includes the trading challenge, where you can try and qualify for a funded account, and included in that is a free attempt at that. If you're really serious about turning trading into your next career, then our comprehensive accredited masterclass, which has been specially designed to provide you with all the knowledge and trading skills you're going to need to navigate any markets and in any market condition, and also, more importantly, any asset class as well. You know, you must find the asset class that works for you, you know, that fits your character really. Okay, trader mentoring, so we can help you get to the next level time and again. And you know, again, that's important because you don't want to just get to a level, you just want to keep improving, obviously. We consult to help companies with their FX and commodity exposure. We provide trader educational content, not just to individuals, but also to exchanges and brokers. And if you feel that you're underfunded or you don't really want to use your own cash, then look at the options available, obviously. But we believe one of the best ones out there is Nordic Funders, where you can gain a trading account anywhere from 25k all the way up to $1 million. Nice to be able to trade with that, eh? Okay, contact us at info@cymaxfintech.com for details on that or anything else. And if you'd like to ask me any questions around trading, then it's chris.tubby@cymax-int.com. And I look forward to seeing you in part 3, where we go through the macro outlook.